Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my stir-fried vegetables with shrimp and chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. You can also go ahead and try out my recipes. All of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and let me know what you think. So here I have my shrimp and it's already clean, washed, and I seasoned my shrimp. I also have some chicken breasts. And of course, I wash, clean, and season my chicken breast. Here I'm going to use some island spice all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to use some black pepper, some Maggi season up all-purpose seasoning. Here I have my yam. I'm going to add a piece of yam. I also have some ripe plantains. And here I have my vegetables. I also have my onion, my broccoli, my cauliflower. I also have garlic, pumpkin, carrot, and pak choy. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my yam. I am adding the yam just to give it a little bit of twist. But before, I add the yam to the vegetables, I'm just gonna go ahead and boil my yam for roughly 3 minutes before I add it to the vegetables. Because remember that the vegetables easy to cook. So you don't want to add the yam to the vegetables and then the yam take a longer while to cook. Once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and slice up my vegetables. So first, I am just going to go ahead and slice up my carrot. So guys, I'm just slicing up my carrot. And of course, I'm not going to slice my carrots too small nor too big because you want your carrot to have a little bit of crunch. So I'm just going to slice up the other carrot. And guys, if you're watching this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I know I've been missing for a little while, but I promise you, I have some great videos coming your way. So go ahead and subscribe and share my channel with your friends, share with your families, and let them know about Kali J's Kitchen. Alright, so now that I'm finished slicing up my carrots, it's time to go ahead and slice up my pumpkin. Now guys, I know a lot of you might be saying, why am I adding pumpkin to my stir-fried vegetables? Guys, the pumpkin give it a nice taste, a nice color. And I mean, you just want to give your food a little bit of twist. You don't want to be boring all the days of your life. You want to add something to your meal to just give it a little bit more, vibes. So now that I'm finished cutting up my pumpkin, I'm gonna go ahead and slice up my onion. Now guys, as you can see, I'm trying not to slice up my onion too big nor too small because as I said before, you want your vegetables to have a little bit of crunch. And guys, I forget to say also that I might just give the pumpkin like a minute to just boil, because you don't want to overboil your pumpkin and your yam. So now what I'm doing, as you can see, I slice up my Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice up my garlic also. And guys, when you're cooking, always try to add a piece of garlic to your meal. Garlic make everything taste nice. And guys, this is a one-pot meal. I mean, this is so easy and simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate my broccoli. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my cabbage. And guys, as you can see also, I'm not slicing up my cabbage too big nor too small, just the right size. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, share my channel, tell your friends and families about Kali J's Kitchen. I have some great ideas, meal ideas coming for you. You don't want to miss it. And also, turn on your post notification, guys, so that whenever I upload, you can be the first to get my videos. So now what I'm doing, I'm just going to go ahead and slice up my pak choy. And guys, this is a great idea for Sunday dinner. If you don't want to cook any rice and peas, you can go ahead and try this recipe. It's easy and simple. Okay guys, so I'm just showing you what my vegetables looks like after I finish slicing them up. Alright guys, now what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna go ahead and add a piece of the Kerrygold garlic and herb butter to my frying pan. And guys, this butter is perfect. I love this butter. So I'm just gonna use my wooden spoon to just spin around the butter so that way it melts a little bit faster. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna add my shrimp. So guys, for the shrimp, I'm just gonna saute this for 2 minutes. Because you don't want to overcook your shrimp. So I'm just going to saute this. So after 2 minutes, my shrimp finish cooking. So what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna remove my shrimp from the fire because I don't want to overcook them, as I said before. And I'm gonna start cooking my chicken. So guys, the same pot that I used to cook my shrimp in is the same pot that I'm going to use for my chicken. Now guys, because this is chicken breast, you know, this not going to take a long time to cook. So within 6 minutes, 6 and to 10 minutes, this chicken breast should be cooked. So as you can see, I'm just sauteing the chicken breast. Alright guys, now that I'm finished with my chicken breast and my shrimp, it's time to go ahead and start preparing my stir-fried vegetables. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a piece of the Kerrygold butter to my pot that I'm gonna cook my stir-fried vegetables in. And as I did before, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a spoon to just give the butter a little spin so that it will be evenly distributed. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the onion, the Scotch bonnet pepper, and the garlic. And I'm just going to combine this. And guys, you should smell all of this flavor coming up from the seasoning and the butter. Smells so good. So I'm just trying to pull them apart. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go in and add my pak choy and my cabbage. And I'm just gonna combine this together with the onion, the Scotch bonnet pepper, and the garlic. Oops, one of the garlic did not cut up. So I'm just going to combine this together. And I'm just going to go in and add some black pepper. I'm also going to add the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And I'm just going to combine. Now guys, this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so now that my cabbage and pak choy is a little bit soft, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my other vegetables. So I'm adding the broccoli, the cauliflower, the carrot, and also I add the yam. So I'm just gonna combine this together. Guys, look at that. Look at the color. Looks so good. Whoa, guys, look at that. So guys, I also add the plantains. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go in and add the shrimp. And I'm just gonna combine the shrimp with the vegetables because you want everything to be evenly distributed. Guys, you see that? Wow, look at that color. So guys, after I added the shrimp, I also went ahead and add the chicken breast, and I just combine everything together so that each person will get equal shares. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you try this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to Callie J's Kitchen. All of my links are listed in the description box, and all of my recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.